Yo, whoa, yo, yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the only way to get KRNL Executor. As you all know, KRNL got taken down a couple of months ago, but there is still a way to get it back. I already have the app on my phone right now. I installed it about an hour ago and it works very smoothly. You don't even need a computer at all. The whole process only takes around 10 minutes, and after that, you can start running scripts right away. So if you're trying to get KRNL back, this video is definitely for you. But before I show you everything, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. So guys, the method is really easy. All you need to do is grab your phone and open your browser. Now search for tap2apps.com. Just type it exactly the way I wrote it on the screen. Once you're there, search for the app and tap on it. Now go ahead and press get to start the process. It might ask you to complete a couple of extra steps, but don't worry, that's completely normal. Once everything is finished, head back to your home screen and boom, the KRNL app is ready to use. Simple, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.